Geese are way more fascinating than most people realize. For starters, they're incredible navigators. They can fly over 3,000 miles during migration and even return to the exact same nesting spot each year. And they fly in that perfect V formation, not just for show. It reduces wind resistance and lets them fly up to 70% farther as a group. But here's what really surprised me. Geese mate for life, and if one partner dies, the other often mourns and may never mate again. They also have over a dozen vocalizations, and each sound means something different, like warnings, greetings, or even encouragement mid-flight. Loyal, emotional, and strategic, geese are proof that nature's smartest creatures don't always get the spotlight.